Talking with Michelle and with Betsy, and they're with Tobii, eye tracking and gaze interaction. It's like some cool software that can be used for communication. If you don't have the ability to use a mouse or something, you use your eyes. Okay, so show me how.
It is hardware and software.
It's hardware and software.
Yes.
Okay, so tell me how it works, Michelle.
So the one I'm going to be showing you is the PCI Go, which is our eye tracking device that is compatible with Windows laptops as well as Windows tablets.
Okay.
So what I'm going to show you is our gaze interaction, which is on the screen you will get a menu that is your basic mouse functions: click and drag, scrolling, single click, a menu, right click, double click, keyboard. So like I said, anything you can do with a mouse, you can do with your eyes.
Okay.
So for example, if I wanted to open Internet Explorer, we typically would take our cursor, go over to Internet Explorer, and do a single click.
Right, but not everybody has that.
But not everyone has that capability. So
I'm thinking Stephen Hawking here.
He would be someone who would quite potentially.
Okay.
So before you use our eye tracking, you would have to go through a calibration process. So the camera can learn your eyes, how your eyes move, how your eyes are shaped. So if I wanted a single click, I would choose the function, single click.
And so you're just using your eyes right now because this has already been calibrated.
Yes, so I'm going to choose single click here on the side until it's highlighted, and then look right down at Internet Explorer. And voila.
And you turned it on without, and that wasn't magic. That wasn't magic. That was science. That was technology.
So what I did was basically tell the computer I want a single click on top of Internet Explorer. So I chose my function and looked right at the icon.
So this is awesome. I can actually see this would have great use in schools all over the. Is it? And you are in schools all over the place.
We're trying to do more in schools.
Yeah. Where are you at right now? Is it just like personal, like individuals buy it, or how does it?
Pretty much.
Yeah.
Right now, it's a consumer product. So.
But that's an awesome product. I mean, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
Betsy, you invented it.
I did.
You did. Okay, so let's
see.
And
I'm the guinea pig.
You're the guinea pig. Okay, so the Tobii is right there. That's it right there.
This is it, and let me show you what it looks like when it's bought. It's basically a US plugin. And it's just this fancy little camera.
Okay, that's it. And then of course there's software that goes with it.
Software that goes with it. And on a laptop, you would get a magnetic strip, and you would just hook it right on.
Okay.
With the iMobile, it comes with the bracket that actually houses the iMobile in here in order for it to be used at its optimal capacity.
And I'm thinking you could probably mount this to a wheelchair or something like that.
It is intended that you can do that.
So you have a mounting bracket on the back that can be mounted onto a wheelchair, a desk mount, or even a floor mount.
Okay.
And this was developed all to accommodate for user preferences. So on the back of this bracket, it unscrews, and so you could really put whatever kind of tablet that you wanted to in there.
Okay. And so right now it only works with Windows computers. We're coming out with an iPad version. Yes? Come on, say yes. Say yes. Come on.
Not that we're aware of.
Oh. Someday. Okay. Someday. Okay. And so what's the cost of these things? How much does it cost?
The PCI
$1 billion.
Is that
$1 billion.
It's about $2,000.
$2,000. Okay,
yes.
Yeah. And then of course, if there were a large scale purchase, price would go down, right? I'm sure. Right?
There could potentially be. We've not had that.
If a school district bought 1 billion of them,
we have not had that privilege at the moment to have that as an issue.
But that would be a lovely issue to have, right?
That would be a very lovely issue to have, yes.
Okay, so if somebody's interested in Tobii ATI, eye tracking and gaze interaction, Michelle, who do they contact?
They can contact our corporate office at 800-793-9227. Or they could go to our website at TobiiATI.com.
TobiiATI.com.
Yes.
Okay, Michelle and Betsy?
And we do have representatives around the country, so there is quite likely a local rep that you could get in contact with as well.
Okay, thanks for talking this morning. Appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Say bye to El Paso. Bye. Bye.